Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to remove our credit card from Roblox. So if you want to remove your credit card in today's video, we will be guiding you step by step. So let's get started with it. You can go over to your browser and go to roblox.com for that. So you can log into roblox.com or even access the application itself and log in into your account if you are not logged in yet. So once you log in here, you will be finding this particular website here with all of the games available. Now, if you want to go over and remove your card, what you can do is you can look out for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and click on it. Now, once you click on it, a menu pops up on your screen. You can go over to the option of settings or account settings and open it up on your device. Once you access your settings for your Roblox, now what you need to do is go over to the billing or the payment settings. So on the left sidebar, you can look out for the option for payment methods and click on it, or similar kind of, such as billing or sometimes subscription. So click on it, and when you do here, you will be finding your payment method, etc. You can even look out for subscription if you have any subscriptions available. Now here, all you gotta do is find the credit card that you want to remove. Right now I do not have any, but once you find your credit card here in the section, you can look out for the option of remove here. Right now I have add, but you should be finding a remove option, something similar button available here in the space, or the delete payment method wording may vary. So you can just go over and click on it and confirm the action, and your card will be deleted from Roblox. And that's it. Roblox does not store your card if you used it only once for Roblox. So you can just go over and apply of this method if you want to remove your credit card. If you have subscribed to Google Play Store, you must remove your payment from those platforms instead of Roblox. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.